One Balloon Tutorial.
Who's here to fix? Baymax from Big Hero 6. Please welcome in Cloud Action.
Start by pumping up your white 260 balloon and tie a knot. Leave a 14 centimeter tail. We're going to make an 8 centimeter bubble and then 2 pinch twists. This makes the head and one arm. Now to make the body, we're going to make a 10 centimeter bubble and then 2 pinch twists. The 2 pinch twists makes his little legs. Now to continue on with the body, we're going to make another 10 centimeter bubble back to the head. And then another 10 centimeter bubble back to the feet. And one last 10 centimeter bubble back to the head. This gives us 4 10 centimeter bubbles in total. Now to make a second arm, make an 8 centimeter bubble. And now cut off the very end of the balloon. Let out the excess air and tie a knot. Make sure to leave a tail. Now we're going to tie his hands to his body. To do that, we're going to thread the remaining tail through the body. And on the other side, we're going to tie the tail to the nozzle. Feel free to cut off any excess. Now we're going to see that there's the 2 pinch twists. The pinch twist of the head is going to face forward, while the 2 pinch twists of the feet is going to face sideways. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to grab a black marker and draw on 2 circles. And then a line right through the middle to make his little face. And your Balloon Baymax is complete.
Well, I have a Balloon Baymax. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.